Hey there, let there be light with this 6-pack of color changing path lights. The brand sent these over for me to share with you. So first off, they are super easy to put together. There are 4 pieces to each one. You have the bottom stake portion that then gets put together with the rest of the stake. And there's other stake pieces, so you can actually make these twice as tall if needed. The final portion is the light itself. It just sits right on top of that. And they are solar powered, so you're going to want to put these somewhere where they're going to get a lot of sun during the day so they can shine all night long. When you flip it over to the bottom, that's where that LED light is, and it does have an on-off switch as well as a mode button, and that mode button will cycle through all the light options that you have. You can have a bright white light, a warm white light, but you can also have all sorts of colors that you can just leave as one color, or it'll rotate slowly through the color options and kind of fade in and out, or it will flash. So there's lots of options to choose from. So with this 6-pack, you're gonna get multiple colors, multiple lights. It's gonna be great not only for regular times of the year when you just want a warm or bright white light along the path, it can also be customized to meet your favorite holiday. These lights did make it overnight. They lasted over 9 hours on without dimming. If you are looking for some path lights that are just a little bit more than your standard white light that's bright or a warm light, then I hope this video helps you decide on if these are a good fit for you.